Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to turn on videos sound on Facebook. Maybe you want to turn on sound when you play the videos on Facebook, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can turn on when the start of the videos with sound. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. What you need to do is to tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, scroll down and you will see the settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down button and then select the settings. And then in here, scroll down under the preferences, you will see this media. Tap on it. And then scroll down and you will see here videos start with sound. To turn this on, simply toggle this button. As you can see, it is now turned on. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can turn on videos start with sound on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can turn on sound when you start in videos on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.